Want to effortlessly create stunning designs for your social media posts or graphics without spending hours learning complicated software? I'm going to show you how using Canva's AI design tool, Magic Design, so you can create stunning visuals in minutes. Hey, I'm Sarah Nguyen, and on this channel, I help you grow your business using video and social media design with ease. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more of these tutorials. Thanks to Canva's AI design tool, Magic Design, you can now upload an image, and Magic Design will automatically curate templates just for you. Now, you don't have to scroll through millions of templates anymore in Canva, allowing you to create designs even faster than ever before. This remarkable tool is available exclusively for Canva users, free and paid. If you want to get in on the Canva Pro paid action, click on the link in my description to get Canva Pro free for 45 days so you can access premium templates and elements. I know you love it. Let's get straight into the tutorial in Canva now. To get started designing using Canva Magic Design, we're in Canva on the home page, and the first way that we can do it is by where this banner is here, selecting the upload button here. And then here's where we can choose to upload images or videos for Canva to curate templates for us. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose an image of myself that I want Canva to curate designs for. So that's the image, it's uploaded, and then I'm going to select add to a template. So here's where the magic happens. As you can see in Canva Magic Design here, Canva's curating templates for me, and it's put my image in the template so I can kind of get a preview of how my image would look within their template. So the other thing that you can do here is you can change the style. I can select this style button, and then you can see I can pick a style. So there are pre-populated color combinations. I can scroll through and pick one that I like. So I'm going to just have a look at the ones that I like and pick this pink one here, and then select see results. And then Canva will populate the designs in that color format. The other thing that I can do is I can change the categories. So at the moment, it's got a range of things from a LinkedIn banner to a Facebook post, and these are not bad, but I'm going to go into the category. I'm going to go to social media, and I'm going to select animated social media. So I want them to curate templates that will work for this image or an animated social media post. And there you go. They've put the image in them in the color scheme that I want. And I can see the preview here of what the design will look like. And then I can choose it and go into it and edit it. So let's just say that I really like this one. I like this design, but it's not the text that I want. I can then click on the design, customize this template, and then I can start using the Canva editor to make changes to the text, make changes to the color scheme, or add other elements to the page that I want. Another way to use Canva Magic Design is that you can also use it to populate video templates for you as well, which is a great thing to have. So you simply go to create a design, and then you can upload your videos into Canva, or if you already have images, you'll be able to see them uploaded here. And I've already uploaded one, so I'm going to select that. So this is the video that I'm going to choose, and then I'm going to select add to a template. And now you can see, once again, it's starting to populate and curate designs for me using that video. And this is my daughter, and I can see all these different posts with the video already in the template. And that gives me a really good indication of what it will kind of look like. So that's a really cool thing to have. And if I hover over them, you can see the animation happening as well. And once again, you can change the category. So at the moment, they've got a range of posters and social media posts. But if I go to, let's just have specific Instagram posts, because I'm feeling like posting on Instagram. I can see that they're curating ones that would work for me there. So once again, you can preview it. That looks pretty cute. I like the look of these. You can simply click on them, customize this design, and it will open it in the editor for you. And once you're there, you can simply go ahead and make the changes as you would for any of your designs. The third way that you can use Canva Magic Design is for presentations. So what you would do is you would go to create a design, and then you would start typing in the search bar for presentation. And then you can select the presentation size. I'm going to do just a standard presentation, a 6x9. Click on that. And then what happens now is you'll see in the bottom right-hand corner, there's Canva Assistant. So it's this little icon with the starry dots thing. So that's the Canva Assistant. So we're going to click on that, and you can see that a recommended action is Magic Design. So we're going to use this to draft the presentation. So all we do is click on Magic Design. And then here is where you use a couple of words to describe the presentation topic. So whatever your presentation is about. So I'm going to make this presentation about how to use social media for small business to promote your products, right? So type in what it's about and then hit enter. And then what Canva's doing now is it's coming up with different template designs for you, and it's populating the slides with some text for you as well. So you can see here that if I click on this design, I can see there's the introduction slide here. It's populated the slide about choosing the right platforms, creating a content strategy, how to make engaging content, and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's definitely a good starting base, and there's quite a few different designs. So I've also got this one here. So you scroll through and choose the design that you like. And then once you're happy with one of these, simply click on create my presentation. And then you can see here, it has populated the text and laid out all of the content for you, and is a great base for you to get started with creating your presentation design using Magic Design. So I really, really love this feature, and I'm interested to see what you create with it as well. There you have it. That's how easy it is to get curated designs to start designing using Canva Magic Design. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please hit the like button for me. Let me know in the comment section below what other Canva training you'd like to learn about. I love making these videos for you. In the meantime, why don't you check out my Canva playlist for more tutorials? Or if you're struggling to come up with what to say in your YouTube videos, you'll definitely want my 5 swipeable YouTube scripts. They'll help you come up with your content or your videos that grabs your viewers' attention and increases your YouTube watch time. Check them out by clicking on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.